Okay, so I just got this Dreo window air conditioner here. Really excited about it, and starting to get a little bit warmer outside. And this is just gonna be the perfect size for me. And it works with a 110 outlet. I'm gonna go ahead and get this unboxed and show you what we got here. Okay, I got my Dreo unboxed, and I am getting really excited. You can see it's got a clean, sleek, modern design, and I'm going to show you how to get this installed. It comes with everything that you'll need. It comes with all the hardware, it's got these insulation sheets that go on the side. It's got the plasticine for filling up any of the cracks around the side. You'll need this as well to get a good strong seal. It has the remote. Love this. This will come in very handy. And it comes with instruction manuals as well. Makes that job easy. And yeah, everything you need. They really take care of you. Let me show you how we get this set up. So first, of course, you're going to remove your screen. And then you're going to set it inside the window. Pull your window down. And then pull your tabs on the side out. And you click this into place. You grab the screws. Okay. So we're going to screw it on the side, down, and then repeat on the other side. So I'm not going to install this right now, but I'm going to wait just a little bit. But yeah, we'll kind of shove this in the cracks here along the edge, and then we are going to come back with the plasticine as well and cover up any of those remaining cracks. So yeah, super easy install. Good seal. Like I mentioned, these go on the side. We'll cut these down to size here in a minute, because really they give you some extra material in case you have a wider window. But yeah, very good seal, and make it very simple. Go ahead and plug it in. Let's see with our remote here.
Okay, so I just installed this Dreo window air conditioner. Super easy, comes in a box, comes out, goes easily in a window. I've got it all hooked into the window and plugged in. I just put batteries in the remote control, so it should go right on. Goes on, set at 73. You can actually turn down the temperature if you want to 68. You can see that it's super high-tech, efficient, very quiet. You can feel the cold air coming out. Very nice window air conditioning unit. I believe it is Energy Star, which makes it use less power. Very quiet. Very, very quiet. Excited for this window air conditioning.